Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2015 Chevy Camaro convertible. Alright, so the battery is located in the trunk. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and pick up the battery and sit it right up here. This is the positive side, so you want the positive terminal sitting on this side. Alright, and let's go ahead and remove these terminal protectors. Go ahead and put in the positive. Remove the negative, and let's go ahead and put in the negative. And actually, you know what, before we do this, let's go ahead and remove the negative and the positive, because you want to get as much room as possible from here. And let's go ahead and put this battery clamp right there and strap it down. You will be needing a size 13 mil to get this one tightened. Alright, and there it is. You will need an extension. Just make sure it's nice and tight. That way the battery doesn't go anywhere. Now we're ready to proceed on with the positive and then the negative. Alright, the positive is in. Now the negative. Let's go ahead and secure each one, the negative and the positive. And you will be using a size 10 mil socket for each one. Just make sure they're nice and tight. Alright, now we're ready to proceed on to the next step, which is this tire holder. I'm just going to go ahead and slide that down, and using a 13 mil, we're going to go ahead and secure this down. There's one missing, so one will do. Once you have this nice and tight, let's go ahead and put our battery, our tire, into the trunk. Then it looks like this lid's going to go in next. Then we have our cap here. Alright. Then we put our piece of plastic. Gosh, I am so off. Carpet. Back in the trunk. Alright, and there it is. So let's go ahead and fire it up. Make sure everything is working correctly. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I found this little cover, so I went ahead and put it back on here. It was thrown in this corner somewhere, and I found it. Figured I'd slap it on to protect it, because you don't want ground touching this and shorting everything out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, I forgot to mention to hook up this vacuum line back in there. And you're set. Now let's go ahead and put everything back together. Sorry about that. Bunch of mistakes everywhere. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.